Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on closed captions on your PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Turning on closed captions on PS4 is easy. From the main dashboard of your PS4, move up to the top to get to the control menu. Move all the way to the right and open Settings. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility options, scroll down a bit and select Closed Captions. Now enable the checkbox to display closed captions. Closed captions are now turned on. You can customize their style by selecting Closed Captions Settings and then adjusting the settings. You can come back here to Accessibility options if you want to turn closed captions off in the future. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.